Hello, my name is Fatina binti Osman, 1170047. I will present to you how to open Android Manifest.XML file using ManifestViewer, and I will choose 10 Android application and some demonstration and some explanation on their Android Manifest.XML file. Okay, first of all, we will see the components in the Manifest.XML file. First is the app package name and application ID. The package name for this example is com.example.myapp and the Android version code is 1 and Android version name is 1.0. Next will be the apps component, which are activities, services, broadcast receivers, and content providers. In the Manifest.XML, there will be the code for these specific components. For example, activity for each subclass of activity, service for each subclass of service, receiver for each subclass of broadcast receiver, and provider for each subclass of content provider. Alright, next we will see the permission that the apps need to access protected parts of the system or other apps. For example, users permission Android name, user Android permission send SMS. It requires permission to send the SMS in the apps. Next is device compatibility. For example, hardware and software required for the apps. As you can see in the example, users feature Android, android.hardware.sensor.compass, and Android required is true. The hardware is sensor and compass. Okay, there are 4 criteria on the Manifest.XML file. Alright, next I will choose tools to open Manifest.XML file, which is ManifestViewer. You can download ManifestViewer from Play Store. Okay, ManifestViewer will list down all the installed application and system in my phones. As you can see, there are lots of installed application and service systems in my phone. Alright, there are 10 Android applications that I chose to open their Manifest.XML file. For example, firstly, online daily groceries, which is my application for the PayPal assignment. Secondly is Among Us, is a game application. Third is BodyFast, the fitness application. 4 is Boost, e-wallet. 5 is Netflix for movie and entertainment. 6 is Hermo, online shopping. 7 Shopback, also online shopping. 8 is Eventbrite, which is the list down all the events, and we can join some events from this application. And 9 is GoPro, and 10 is MyU Mobile. Alright, firstly is online daily groceries. Okay, as you can see, this is how to open their Manifest.XML file. Okay, you can see is there the permission for these apps, which are internet, access network state, camera, vibrate, and their hardware use is users feature Android hardware.camera and Android hardware.camera.autofocus. Okay, this is the screenshot. I'm sorry, the screenshot is a bit blur, so I will explain to you. The activity in this application is to make a payment using PayPal, login activity, PayPal future payment activity, future payment for activity, and some other PayPal services, card payment activity. Alright, next is Among Us. Among Us, we can see the Android Manifest.XML. Okay, you can see the first, they will state their package name, com.innerslot.spacemafia, and then the user's permission such as internet, touchscreen. Multi-touchscreen is the hardware Is the hardware, because there is a users feature hardware and some other permissions such as wake lock, billing, and software using VR mode and high performance. And the activity is using the Unity 3D player, Unity player activity, and many more, because this is the game application. So there are more activities ongoing that uh, that have been declared in this manifest. Okay, this is the users permission, users features. Okay, and some Google Android and their service provider, Google Android, the activity from Unity 3D, VR. Alright, next is BodyFast. BodyFast is the application that I use to control my body weight. But actually, I rarely use this application. It is used to schedule my intermittent fasting. It is very useful if you want to diet and you want to do the intermittent fasting. Alright, okay, this is the Manifest.XML file. There are many users permission in this because there are a lot of features or a lot of objectives that the user can get from this BodyFast app. Okay, first I will say that the user's permission is message, billing, because you need to pay if you want to go to the premium apps, if you want to purchase their premium, and their application, their activity is you can share the result to Facebook, and the content provider is Facebook notification, and some services provider from Firebase, React Native Firebase messaging headless service, and their registration using Firebase also. And as you can see, they are using Firebase as their service provider. And there are a lot of activities ongoing in this application. Okay, this is the screenshot to make it clear. Alright, okay, fourth application is Boost app. Okay, as you can see, when I want to see the Manifest.XML file, the result is not same as the previous one, and it's only short because this is something that they can't reach their APK file, or something that they cannot open their Manifest.XML file, or maybe they are protected, I don't know. Okay, so I will choose another application, another tools to detect their permission, which is APK Analyzer, and this is all their permission in the Manifest.XML file. For example, access course location, access file location, access Wi-Fi state, access network state, internet, and more. This happen when when the tools cannot load their APK file using the Manifest Viewer. Next is Netflix. Netflix is a movie and entertainment application. It also comes with a result with this cannot load their APK file. So from the APK Analyzer, we can see there are a lot of users permissions such as Bluetooth, access Wi-Fi state, access network state, billing, internet, web cloud, record audio. Okay. Okay, some more. Modify audio state setting, set flag. Alright, next will be iAccount. iAccount is I use this iAccount to log into my EPF account, and I can see the amount balance from my EPF because I once started work part-time at MPH, so I can activate my EPF account, and I can see from this application. Okay, also the result will be like this because the tools cannot load their APK file. Okay, so using the APK Analyzer, there are a lot of permission also, for example, internet, call phone, access network state, okay, read app batch, read setting, write setting. Okay, there are a lot of permission in this application. Okay, 4.7 is shopback. Shopback I use a lot for online shopping, and you can get more money from your payment through the online shopping through this application. You need to install the application, and you can retrieve to other online application, but you can get the money from this application. Okay, there is a lot. Okay, I will show you on the screenshot the important things in this Manifest.XML, which is users permission, internet, access Wi-Fi state, get task, call phone, vibrate, camera, users feature, use the location GPS, use the hardware location. Okay, we also use Firebase as the service provider. And for the activities, there are many activities going on in this. For example, login detail activity, write service activity, search location activity, restaurant activity, movie navigation activity, because there are a lot of online shopping that combine in this shopback, and shopback will retrieve the online shopping, and users can get some discount or some money back from their payment through the online shopping. And some challenges that I can redeem more money from this application. Alright, next, continue. Okay, this is a screenshot here. Activities, for example, verify password. Okay, they are also use the Firebase to registration. Alright, next, 8, Eventbrite. Eventbrite is the application to create event and to attract the participant, and we can also be a participant to the event. We can we can search many events in this application nearby or somewhere else. We can search, we can join, and there are a lot of events that are free, but some of them are users need to pay to join the event. This application I rarely use because it will take some time to search the event that I want to join. Okay, so this is the manifest.xml file. Okay, the service provider is service receiver is push notification service. For example, analytics campaign tracking receiver. Okay, receiver, analytic event receiver. Many related to the event. From anyone can create event and can upload to this Eventbrite and can attract more participants, and Eventbrite will help us to advertise our event and attract more participants. On one of GoPro is sorry, GoPro is my brother's camera GoPro that can snap photos and videos from their GoPro Hero 4 Black 4, I think. Hero Black 4. Okay, so once upon a time, I rarely use this GoPro. The GoPro will Bluetooth to the phone. The GoPro camera will Bluetooth to the phone, and we can see the photos and videos from our phone using this application. Okay, it also have the error, or maybe the tools cannot load the APK file, so I use the APK Analyzer. And this is the list of the use permission, which are internet, Bluetooth, access Wi-Fi state, change network state, backlog, download without notification, read fold state. Okay. The application only can download the photos and the videos from the GoPro camera, and not for editing the videos and the photos. Okay, lastly is my mobile, which is my telco provider. Okay, there are a lot of users permission, such as internet, use fingerprint, camera, read contacts, access course location, check license, update shortcut. Okay, for the users features, you can see users features GRES version 0 times 20,000. And you also use file-based messaging, file-based performance lock enable, and the receiver provider, R&D device receiver. Yeah, I use this my mobile a lot because I track my mobile data, I track my credit top up and everything. Okay, that's why there are more need to declare in this Manifest.XML. Alright, that's all from me. Okay, this is the screenshot to make it clear. Alright, okay, that's all from me. 10 Android application that I choose to use this ManifestViewer tools, and also some of them use the APK Analyzer. And thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum.